Doggone hiccups. What can you do? Have you tried sticking your tongue out? Maybe that'll cure it. Try it. No, that's not working. Have you breathed into a paper bag? No. Have you tried sneezing 3 times? No, that didn't fix it either. Have you tried getting very sleepy? That might work. No. My goodness.